Good morning, everyone. How are you? Good morning, students. How's everyone? Having a lovely Sunday? Good morning. Good morning, students. How's everyone? Good morning. Welcome to Me and Maths Live. How's everyone feeling? Feeling good today? It's a happy Sunday. How are you all feeling today? Okay, so any guesses what we are going to start today? We are going to start multiplications today. So in the last class, we have done repeated addition, right? How to make repeated addition easy? Using multiplication. Now what we are going to do?
Okay, perfect. So can you hear me? Can you hear me, kids? Just say yes. So we have Pratham here. We have Rayansh here and Kumar Robbins. Just type in your name. Just quickly type in your name. So if all our students are ready, we're going to be starting with a quick dancing activity, right? So we have Samira here. Let's get up. Let's all of us get up. Get up, kids. Just let's get up and settle down. Let's take our positions. Quick, quick, quick. Let me see if you all are ready. Parents, if they are there, if you are there, just look at your kids if they are ready. Kids, jaldi se khade ho jao. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Chalo, 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 chalo. Get up, get up, get up. We'll have a quick dancing warm-up today. No? Yes. Get up. Ready? Okay, just drop a thumbs up if you all are ready. Parents, if you see your kids are ready, अगर आप देख रहे हैं कि आपके बच्चे ready हैं, तो just thumbs up. So I can see Riyansh, Priyansh, Samaira. Riyansh is ready. Good job. High five, Riyansh. Okay, we have Pratham. Pratham, are you ready? Pratham, Samaira, Riyansh, and Priyansh. Quick, quick, quick. Just quickly respond, and we're going to be starting here. So in 3, 2, 1. This is where we're going to start today. Yay! Okay, all are ready, then let's get started. Hello everyone, how are you? Just follow me. How are you? How are you? Hello everyone, how are you? How are you today? Hello everyone, clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. Hello everyone, clap your hands, clap your hands today. Hello everyone, stomp your, how do we stomp our feet? Stomp your feet, stomp your feet. Hello everyone, stomp your feet, stomp your feet today. Hello everyone, how are you? How are you? How are you? Hello everyone, how are you? How are you today? Yay! Good job, good job. That's like my champ. Great job, kids. Very well done. Okay, let's settle down. Let's settle down, right? We're going to be settling down, and let me see. Yeah. How many of you are very happy today? कितने बच्चे बहुत 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 खुश हैं आज? कितने बच्चे बहुत खुश हैं? मुझे देखना है ना. How many of you are very happy today? Very happy today. So we have Sana. Okay, Samaira only. Yes, Samaira. Okay, we have Swasti here. Hi Swasti. Swasti, आपने warm up activity करी मैम के साथ? Were you there when we were doing hello everyone? Yay! Riyansh is happy. That's great. Hi 10 Riyansh. Hi 10. Okay, so kids, and who else is happy? Who else is happy? Who else is happy? Priyansh is happy. Okay, Samaira, Pratham. Quick, quick, quick. Quick. Okay, that's great. That's great to see. So if my kids are happy, then we should sing a happy song, no? This is my happy song. I wanna sing it all day long. No? Do you know that song? Do you know that song? So let's sing together. Happy, happy, happy. Say with me. Yeah, just follow me. Happy, 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 happy. 5 times. Happy, 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 happy. 7 times. Happy, 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 happy. Yes, Swasti. Yay! That's amazing. So kids, आज आपका टेस्ट है, एंड ऑफ द टॉपिक टेस्ट, जिसमें हम देखेंगे कि हमारे बच्चों ने कितना लर्न किया है, नो? और हमें कहाँ पर और ज़्यादा काम करने की ज़रूरत है, नो? Pratham is happy. That's sweet. We all should be happy, no? Happy, 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 happy. Right. Okay, that's good. So, how many of you are ready for the test today? आप में से कितने सारे बच्चे रेडी हो टेस्ट के लिए? How many of you? Okay, before we really start, so let me introduce myself to all my lovely kids and the parents around. So I am Pooja Yadav, co-founder of Me and Math. And I'm really very pleased and feeling blessed to have you all kids here. That's so beautiful. Okay, kids. So I saw your previous lessons. You were doing something about multiplication, no? Multiplying things, times table, and everything, no? Yeah, that's great. So how about, oh, Samira is ready for the test? That is good. That's good. So kids, how about me giving you a question and let me see what you come up with, right? Or we should not study. थोड़ी थोड़ी पढ़ाई तो करनी चाहिए ना, थोड़ा थोड़ा रिविजन कर लेंगे हम, no? Okay, so okay. I'm just waiting for all your messages before I start, okay? Don't worry, ma'am's not going anywhere. Okay, that's good. So yes, I'm waiting for your messages, kids. Waiting. आज हमने कौन सा song सीखा? What song it was? That was a happy song. Yes, that was a happy song. No? Wasn't that a happy song? It was. Yes. It was a happy song. For all my happy kids. Yay! Okay, that's nice. So kids, are you ready? We're going to be having a very quick discussion of like few things and not a lot of study, no? We'll have our time together. Okay, so I'm gonna present my screen, right? And you just let me know, you will drop a thumbs up. मैं अपनी screen present कर रही हूँ और आप एक thumbs up drop करोगे अगर आपको वो screen दिख रही है properly. Okay kids? If you can really see that, you're gonna be dropping a thumbs up. Simple. Can you see me sitting on the whiteboard? Just let me know if you can see that. क्या आप मुझे देख पा रहे हो कि मैं व्हाइट बोर्ड में जाकर के बैठ गई हूँ? Yes. Okay. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. So I'm gonna ask a lot of questions, and we will have a team. So I saw Riyansh joining. The very first student who joined was Riyansh. So Riyansh, you are the captain today, okay? Riyansh is the captain today. And you know, Riyansh, I know something about you. I definitely know something about you because I saw you many times. You would be seeing me for the first time, but I saw you many times. Can you guess where did I see you? तो कोई guess कर सकता है कि मैंने रियांश को कहाँ देखा है? Just think. मैम ने रियांश को कहाँ देखा है? Hi Tanya. रियांश ने मैम को that is nice. Devashri is the student name. वो Swasti. Okay, nice. So मैम ने रियांश को कहाँ देखा है? Yes, that's correct. Star student. I saw Riyansh in Star Student, and you also have seen him, no? आप सब ने रियांश को वहाँ पर देखा होगा. तो ये जो दूसरे बच्चे हैं जैसे स्वास्ति, प्रियांश, I saw Priyansh as well, and we have Pratham. Kids, you too should be there in the star record, no? Star student. So if I show you, you get the announcement of stars, no? आप वेबसाइट में जा करके भी देख सकते हैं जहाँ पर every week you are getting announced over there, and you know thousands of students see you there. So let me show you our live class, and if we go to Wall of Fame, we see our star performers of July month here. So we have Riyansh, the week 3 winner, and Ponika, week 3 winner as well. Saina, week 1 winner of July, and Anya, week 1 and 2, two together of July. So kids, we just need to keep learning with our teachers and doing the homework, asking questions. Just doing the homework and learning is nothing until you ask questions. है ना? How many of you are very comfortable in English and how many of you need Hindi? So I'll keep myself going both language, no? But if I see all of you understand English, we'll go with English only. So just type in E or H. E stands for English and H stands for Hindi. That's nice. See, ma'am can hear you. ठीक है, तो हमारे फर्स्ट कैप्टन है रियांश एंड द सेकेंड पर्सन आई सॉ ओवर देयर वाज प्रथम. Oh, Pratham, your name says you were first, but Riyansh was first there, no? Beautiful name, very inspiring name. Okay, so ठीक है, तो प्रथम और रियांश आज के कैप्टन्स हैं. आज हम क्या करेंगे? हम गेम खेलेंगे. मैम विल आस्क, मैम विल जस्ट ट्राई शोइंग हर क्यूरोसिटी टू यू. मैम थोड़ा सा आपसे सीखेंगी, थोड़ा आप मैम को सिखाओगे, थोड़ा हम डिस्कस करेंगे. दैट इज इट. और फिर हम देखेंगे कि विनर्स कौन है आज के. ओके ओके किड्स, सो नाउ आई एम गोना बी एडिंग टीम मेंबर्स हियर. सो वी हैव Samaira, Priyansh, Swasti, and who else is there except them? I think so. Samaira, Priyansh, Swasti, and Dhanya. Okay, so we have 6 kids here, no? 6 kids here. So are you ready for the E? E for, okay, E for Riyansh, E for Pratham, E for Samaira, E for Dhanya, E for like everyone. Okay, fine. So we have an audience of English. So we're going to be going with English only, okay? Don't worry. So if ma'am says, I mean, just imagine ma'am to be a number. Ma'am is not ma'am right now. Ma'am's a number. Ma'am is a number, okay? And my thing is, I will tell you about myself, right? I am the largest digit. Can you identify me? I am the let me write the question. That wouldn't be fair, no? ठीक है, ma'am question लिख रही हैं. I am the largest. I am the largest digit. Identify me. Can you identify me? Let me see. So our question, okay, am I hiding it? Let me just move myself quickly. 1 second. 1 second. One second, kids. Okay, sorry. How about me changing the position of the question here, right? It is to the right side. I am the largest digit. Identify me. Let me see how many of you. Pratham has identified the first time. Very first Pratham. Riyansh has identified it. Dhanya has identified it. Okay. So kids are getting 1 point for this. Pratham was the very first one to identify. And yes, that is 9. That's correct. Riyansh has identified and Dhanya. So technically, Pratham's team is stronger here. No? Oh, we have Samira identified it. Samira is getting another point. So you both are having 2 points each. No? Okay. I am the largest digit. That is nice. Now I'm going to add another question. My friend is the smallest 2-digit number. Can you identify the friend of 9? My friend is the smallest 2-digit number. 9 का जो friend है वो smallest 2-digit number है. EH, that means English, Hindi both. Swasti, don't worry. I'm there. Quick. Yes, I know names. I know Pratham is with Pavan. So I'm relating P for Pratham, P for Pavan. Hopefully it's so. So apologies for your name, calling your name. We have Sana means Samira. Triveni means Riyansh. Kumar Robin means Priyansh. No? Am I wrong? Okay. So we have Riyansh identifying it. So parents, if I ask you, probably none of you are helping them. They are actually thinking about it, right? Yeah, this is what we want. Okay. So Riyansh has answered here. Priyansh has answered here. And Samira has answered here. That's easier for me. You know, S for Samira, S for Sana. Kumar Robin, I know Priyansh, I've learned. Tanya is Thanya. Devashri is Swasti. Okay. And Triveni is Riyansh. Pavan is Pratham. Yeah, I think I've learned it. Kids, that is what my friend is the smallest, chotu, smallest 2-digit number. It has 2 digits, but it is the smallest. Think. See, deleting the messages is not allowed. No. Deleting, I read all the messages. Okay, Dhanya? I read all the messages. So deleting messages is not allowed. So let's get the scores here. My friend is the smallest 2-digit number. Some students are answering it 10. A few are answering it 99. Okay, they both are 2-digit numbers. No? 2. There are 2 digits. 1 and 0 and 9 and 9. But out of these 2, which one is the smallest, kids? Do we have any confusion? Which one is the smallest? Exactly, 10. Yeah. So for the students who have answered it 10, Riyansh, Priyansh were the first people who answered it. Samira was there. Devashri, would you? Yes, now Devashri knows it's 10. Sometimes we get confused. That is fine. We are learners, no? Okay, no problem. So 10. Okay, very well done. So we are having Riyansh getting 1 more point. Priyansh, why did you answer the previous question? Then we have Samira getting another point. Then we have Swasti 99. So next time you're going to be getting points, right? Okay, Pratham Pratham, 1 point. Dhanya, you made a mistake, so next time we're going to be getting points. Okay, so Pratham. Okay, let me count 4. Exactly same. So abhi bhi aap dono teams 4 points pe ho. So you all are having exactly a tie. No problem. Let's go to the next question. What is now? Next question comes. Ready for the next question, kids? Just drop a thumbs up. In the meantime, I'm typing down question. What is the product of the largest digit and the smallest two-digit number? Is it stressing you? I mean, what's the stress about? Read the question, kids. What's the product of the largest digit and the smallest two-digit number? Simple. Okay, let me just fix the position because I feel like the logo, okay. Is it still readable? Let me make it a bit bigger. Nice. So kids, yeah, I saw the logo was hiding it, so I just moved it. Nice. So So I have got the answer from students. Yeah, Swasti, that answer is correct. So, okay, nice. I actually have received the answer from Priyansh. So quick. Samaira, very nice. I mean, I was about to ask some questions. What do you think what the product is? What is the product of the largest digit and the smallest two-digit number? What does it mean by the product? अभी बच्चों का पढ़ाने का time है, no? So I'm having the notebook. I'm just looking at that notebook and typing in questions here. But many things I really need to learn from my champs, no? And I'm pretty sure you're going to be helping me learn it, no? So, no, I don't want that. Okay. Whenever ma'am tries to make it beautiful, it goes wrong. Okay. Yeah. So I just boxed a word. That is product. Nahi. Ma'am is not understanding. Ma'am's not that smart, no, to get the answer in directly. To understand the answer directly. Ma'am wants to know what do you understand by the term product? What is product? What do we need to do when we see product? 9 and 10. What do we understand by the word product? Just tell me that. Product. What do we understand by the term product? Pratham, what do we understand by the term product? Danya comes up with multiply. Okay, I don't know until I get the majority to say. No? Okay, Swasti, what do you think? What the term product means? We should not look to mama, papa, or teachers. We should know what the word means. That is making us smart. We are actually smart. Just a few things we have to grab. Ruchi Pandey here. Hi Ruchi. Please type in the child's name and welcome to Me and Math Live class. Riyansh says multiply. Multiply itself. Okay, multiply. We'll be picking. So kids are saying multiply. Okay, Priyansh, what do you think? What does it mean by the term product? Are you all really clear or asking your mom or dad? Tell me. Okay, Pratham says multiply. Samaira says multiply. Swasti says multiply. Riyansh. Okay, so that means majority Riyansh says multiply itself. Aditya. Hi Aditya. How are you doing? So, we were just discussing what do we mean by the term product, no? So, that means it's very clear that product means multiply or times, or do we have a lot of terms for product? क्या हमें बहुत सारे वर्ड्स पता हैं जो हम मल्टीप्लाई के लिए लिख सकते हैं इंग्लिश में? So if you know, that is nice, Samaira. If you know different words, so let's have a game. So let's start with Samaira only. Samaira, one term is product, another term is multiply. Something else to say for multiply only? Okay, we will start with Samaira. Okay, let me write the names, the sequence of the names. So we'll first go with Samaira. Let me change the color to the rainbow. Okay, so first Samaira will tell the term for product. Then we will have Riyansh telling the term for product. Swasti, another term for, we have product. हमारे पास प्रोडक्ट आ गया है जिसको जब भी वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं मल्टीप्लाई के, वी हैव द प्रोडक्ट वर्ड हियर. दूसरा मल्टीप्लाई आपने मुझे बता दिया, मल्टीप्लाई. ओके, फोर्थ इज प्रथम, फिफ्थ इज प्रियांश एंड सिक्स्थ इज धान्या. ओके ओके, सो Samaira, another term for product, each to many. Each, it's Riyansh thing. Each, if it's one to many, you are trying to say, no? Okay, like, I'm afraid you are so smart for me to make understand, no? You know a lot than what I can understand, I feel. I just want a single term. Say, for example, times. That is correct. That is 100% correct, Riyansh. So, Samaira, are we still waiting for that? So, okay, kids, we have the sequence. You type your word. We know the product. Whenever the product comes, you have to multiply. Whenever the multiply comes, you have to multiply. When it is like each given but asking for many, I understood your concept, Riyansh. So if I say the cost of each toy car is 10 rupees, what is the cost of 5 toy cars? No? I'm understanding your point. Okay. Anyone else who's going to be giving me? Yeah, one to many, that I understand. Multiply is done. Enlarge or expand. But you kids are very young, no? These type of terms you're going to be getting when you are in, grade 4, grade 5, like 3-4 years later. Enlarge or expand is also correct. Correct. Anything else? Can we say times? Times? Oh, my rainbow color. Yeah. Times. Any other term we use? Kids, any other term we use for multiply? Twice? Exactly. Twice, thrice. Good. Doubled? No? Twice. That's nice. Twice means multiply by 2. If it comes thrice, multiply by 3. How about doubled? How about doubled? Yeah, into. That's correct. That's correct, Dhanya. Good job. Doubled meaning times 2. So all these terms are actually helping us to understand what to do over there. So we need not to ask Mama, Papa. हमें मम्मा पापा की हेल्प लेनी नहीं है. वी शुड अंडरस्टैंड विद आर टीचर्स और पेरेंट्स. वी शुड अंडरस्टैंड द टर्म्स एंड देन वी शुड ourselves try to implement them, use them. That is it. We will learn. No? जैसे हम साइकिलिंग सीखते हैं, मम्मा पापा हमें शुरू में सिखाते हैं साइकिलिंग, लेकिन एवरी डे व्हेन यू गो हैव अ राइड विद योर फ्रेंड्स यू डोंट रियली लुक फॉर योर पेरेंट्स, नो, बिकॉज आप उनसे ज़्यादा फास्ट अब साइकिलिंग करने लग गए हो. But the moment you started, you were slow, you were needing help. Same as the learning. When you are starting, we all are here with you, no? But then you need to independently enjoy learning. Okay, so kids, I saw that we have to learn the split method of multiplying. Let's see what's that. So we have got right now 4 points each member. Each team, I mean 4 points you both are having. So at the moment no one is like winning or losing. How many times? Yes, Pratham, how many times also comes when it is like asking for multiply? Before we go ahead, what was our song today? What song it was? Just quickly type in. Ta da la 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 da. Ta da 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 da. What was the song? Quick. Type in here. Before we really go ahead, you have to type the song name. What was our song we sang together? हम लोगों ने कौन सा song एक साथ we sang? हमने शुरू में कौन सा गाना एक साथ गाया था? ये रियांश. Okay, एक बार फिर से गाते हैं. We're gonna be singing it again and going ahead. So it's like, कैसे हम लोगों को sing करना है. Happy, happy, happy 3 times. First happy is 3 times. Okay, let me tell you. First happy is 3 times. Then happy, 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 happy 5 times. Okay. Then happy, 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 happy 7 times. Then happy, 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 happy 5 times. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Okay. Happy, happy, happy. Sing with me. Happy, 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 happy. Happy, 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 happy. Happy, 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 happy. Yay! High 10. High 10. Good job. So kids, it was like let's quickly go through this presentation to see our winner and learn about split multiply. And I know you all are very smart, so you won't take longer to understand that. No? So, I am Pooja Yadav, welcoming you all again to Me and Math Life. And I feel like many of you are getting welcomed every week because I see all the teachers are reporting. Riyansh is very punctual, very regular. Pratham is very regular. Priyansh is very regular. Samaira is there. Samaira, I don't know, earlier, not sure. But overall, Swasti, not sure about earlier lessons. Maybe you joined latest. We have Aditya. I'm not sure. You could be the new student here. So if you're a new student or first time here or even regular, Me and Math and Pooja ma'am welcomes you all to Me and Math Live. So this is session 4 of multiplication. Oh, guess the word. What the word could be? I mean, can you see the screen? They are asking to guess the word. What that word could be? I mean, I'm very poor to understand these type of hints, no? Truly speaking. Okay. Just think what this word could be. Who will text the word first? Let's see. Let's see. Earphone. Okay. So Riyansh says earphone. Let's see what others are saying. Okay, Priyansh also says earphone. Samira, earphone. Technically, it looks like earphone only, no? Earphone. Danya says earphone. Okay, okay, that's good. Swasti. Aditya. What do you say? What the given picture shows? We have an ear. We have an ear and a phone. That's simple. Dimple. Earphone. Let's see if the answer yes. But I think earphone, it should be connecting, no? Connecting one single word. It was the word to guess. No problem. You all did best. Actually, you all are champs, no? Let's have our Riyansh here. Riyansh and the other girl was starting with P. Pernika. Yeah.
3, 2,
2,
1.
Yay! Oh, Pernika. Congratulations, Pernika. Let's all congratulate Pernika. Riyansh. Congratulations, Riyansh. And kids, we are really waiting for others to be here on the picture and we celebrate you together. No? Yes, Pratham. It's earphone. Okay. So, आज का हमारा मिशन है what's split multiplication, solving split multiplication and multiplication word problems. Okay, let's get started with the understanding. If ma'am says it's like a method to do calculation quickly, okay? If I say you have to multiply 23 times 2. Well, what we gonna be doing? 23, we can split 23 as 20 and 3. Yes or no? And whenever we have zeros, it's very easy to multiply. What is 20 times 2? And you have to just double both of them. What is 20 times 2? 40. Because what we do? We just multiply the numbers and place 0 as it is. If you have 1 0, 1 0 there, 2 zeros, 2 0 there. You would have done the multiplication of zeros in the class or maybe here, no, with teachers. So 20 times 2 is 40 and 3 times 2 is what? 6, and 40 plus 6 is 46. That's called the split method. Isn't it easy peasy lemon squeezy? What you split is this number. How do we split? As we read, 23 is 23. Just split. Is it hard? Is it confusing? Shall I give you another question? If I give you 24 times 2. Okay, how about this? How about this? So kids, sorry. What you gonna do, kids? Can you share me the pictures of your notebooks? I'm dropping, or maybe in your groups only, you know, your me and math groups, you just need to do and drop the picture there. I can see it there. Danya says 48. No, Danya, this will not work. You have to share the picture. You have to break it apart. That means split. What do we call the split is? Split is like, you know, when you, I mean, how many of you are like not really splitting the chocolate and eating it whole? Very few, no? We split it. How do we see the ads of Kit Kat? Split, share and eat. No? No, I don't want answers. I want workings, please. So you're going to be doing it in your notebook and sharing the picture through the group. Through your class group only. Through your class WhatsApp groups. Okay. So 24 times 2. We will split this number. No? No, kids? So for the students who have done this, you are just simply taking the I mean, you have not to answer directly, no? 20 times 24 will split into 20 and 4. 20 times 4, 20 times. Now what we do? Multiply by 2. Times 2, times 2. 20 times 2 is 40 and 4 times 2 is 8. If we add them up, that's 48. 43. Is it the typing mistake? Okay, next question shall I give you? If you understand this. And now from here we will have our competition, challenge starting ahead. Okay, how about 35? Let me see how many of you are actually going to do this, and then we will have our competition starting. It's 35. But kids, I really want you to do it in your notebook. So yes, I have it from Samira. That's so nice. Samira has given me the picture. 24 she breaks as 20. And Samira, why did you write 2 there? 24 will break as 20 and 4. No? So next to 20 it should be 4. If you drop your pictures, I can really mark it and guide you. And same you have to do with your class teachers. You have to drop the workings in the GCR so that they can see what you are learning and understanding and thinking. No? So we have 35. 35 times it by 2. 35 times 2. What will we do here? How will we split? Just tell me how will we split this one. 30 and 5, that's nice. So we will write 30 and 5. What will we do next? We will multiply by 2, multiply by 2. We will just double them both. Okay, kids, what is 30 times 2? That's 60. How did we do it so quickly? Just 3 times 2. And 0 is gonna be, just copy it down. And what's 5 times 2? That's 10, right? Adding them up is 70. That's easy peasy. Yes, for the calculation where you are having, you can directly multiply. These are the methods to just go with good examples of mental maths, like to be quicker. Many times students are like forgetting to add a carryover at that point because they are at their budding stage. No, they are at their foundation stage. So at that point we need to represent the concepts in the easier way so that they can, this is, maths where multiple methods are there, but what methods actually clicks to the child and the child feels comfortable is what we try to include here. No? Okay. So let's go ahead with one last question, I guess. Oh, we have many questions. Let me pick which one? Which one would you like to do? Let's do 18 times 3. and I would really need the picture, okay? So I have it from, right. So when we break it apart into simpler forms, it's easier for students to connect instead of getting any sort of anxiety for the thing, like it's very hard, it's taking a lot of steps. No, not every single brain is same, so not the method should be same for everyone. They are having the beauty of diversity, and we should go with the same methods, no, keeping the differences added, so that you should be ready. I mean, students should be the final people to pick the method. We teachers should not be that, okay, we are going to be giving one method to all. That actually makes the subject struggling. Okay, so we are getting answers. 18 times 3 is the last question, and let's see how many of you. So what you have shared, Samira, 35 times 2, you broke it into 30 and 5, multiplying by 2, 60 plus 10 is 70. That is correct. That is 100% correct. This is 100% correct. Okay. So, Samira, you've given me 54 over here, but I need the working. Same for Riyansh, I need the working. Kids, I need the working, please. Okay, so 54 was correct. That's great. So let's wind up. What all did we learn today? We've learned our happy song, very first thing. What else did we learn? You've given me a lot of words we can use for multiplying. When we are multiplying, like we can go with each to many, we can go with one to many, we can go with how many are there, times, doubled, tripled, twice, product, and what else? We've seen some number understanding, and the team. Let's have a final outcome of the team. Let me see. So actually we were having 4 on 4 when we were having this competition. That means you both are the winner. So team Riyansh and team Pratham, you both the teams are amazing team and winners. Good job, kids. You are super champs, no? You are just brilliant. Keep learning and growing. Have a very great day. Bye, take care. But before we go, let's quickly discuss this question. 18 times 3. So 18 we can break as 10 and 8. As we expand numbers, no? Expanding is very easy. We all like. Now just times 3. Times 3. That gives us 30 and that gives us 24. If we add them up, that is 54 is the answer. Good job. Good job. Bye. Take care, kids.